Okay, let's talk about when we're multiplying a negative number times a positive number, and especially when the negative number is rational, right, where it's represented with a fraction. So something that we talked about was when we're dealing with a fraction, this on top, our numerator, just represents multiplication, and our number in the denominator represents division. So another way to think about this is negative 6 times 7, and then taking that answer and dividing it by 7. So one way we could do this is go ahead and multiply negative 6 times 7. So take a second and think about what that is. It's negative 42. And now we're going to take that answer and we're going to divide it by 7. So negative 42, if we had negative 42 groups, I'm not going to sketch them all out, and we divided them into 7 groups, we would have negative 6 in each of the groups. So another thing that we could think about is the fact that we're left with a negative 6, which we see right here. So notice multiplying by 7, which is shown right here, and dividing by 7 pretty much undo each other, right? If you double something and then divide it by 2, you've canceled it out. So these operations undo each other, which is why we're just left with a negative 6. So let's see it with one more example. What if you had negative 2/3 times 6? So just like before, our numerator means multiplication. So we're going to multiply the top numbers and get negative 12. And then our denominator means division. So we'll divide it by 3. And that will leave us with negative 4.